Do you want to make your boating experience a whole lot easier? Well, at Aqua Marine Valet, they can make that happen. You call, you arrive, and you boat. It's boating made easy. Aqua Marine Valet is hassle-free boating at the ultimate Kelowna location on Okanagan Lake. Amazing boating experiences await you with comprehensive long-term boat storage and valet service. No trailering or launching needed. Let us do the work for you, reduce your maintenance, and keep your boat clean, safe, and secure. One of AMV's knowledgeable and professional staff are there to take care of every step. With AMV, you're never more than 15 steps from your boating experience. Call, arrive, boat. Hassle-free boating at its finest.
They're like family. They treat us like family. Our experience here has been nothing less than fantastic.
To be able to work downtown, make a call, and be in the boat 15 minutes later is a service that's well worth the price.
Call Aqua Marine Valet today to secure your space. And you could be calling, arriving, and boating in no time. You can also get more info online at aquamarinevalet.ca.